You can put it on the OnlyFans, like POV. Imagine on your date. You know what I mean? Like to make a little video, you know, chat? What happens after the date? Huh? Next. Next.
Fuck me, please.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Same spot, same wine.
Same wine, same wine.
The wine is maybe different because I want to get smashed tomorrow, you know? That's strong.
Tomorrow you have to take it.
You can taste.
Delicious. That's only one glass. It doesn't matter.
It's coconut wine.
I can feel the coconut.
Fermented coconut wine.
Fermented, nice.
Ano tayo?